John D Rockefeller was the first billionaire the world has produced. He was once the richest man in the world. By age of 25, he controlled one of the largest oil refineries in America. By age 31, he had become the world's largest oil refiner. By age 38, he commanded 90% of oil refined in America. By the time of his retirement at age 58, he was the richest man in America. By the time he died, he had become the richest man in the world. As a young man, every decision, attitude, and relationship was tailored to create his personal power, wealth, and glory. Focus was always centered around him. By the age of 53, he became seriously ill. The world's only billionaire could buy anything he wanted, but he could not eat proper food. He could only digest milk and crackers. His highly experienced and proficient personal physicians predicted he would die within a year. That year passed agonizingly slow. As he approached death, he awoke one morning with a vague remembrance of a dream about not being able to take any of his success and wealth with him into the next world, wherever he would be. The man who could control the most powerful economy of America suddenly realized he was not in control of his own life. He was left with only one choice. He called his attorneys, accountants, and CEOs and announced that he wanted to channel his assets to hospitals, research, and charity work. On that day, John D Rockefeller established the Rockefeller Foundation. The new charitable undertaking eventually led to many medical breakthroughs, even wiping out certain diseases. But perhaps the most amazing part of Rockefeller's story is that the moment he began to give back a portion of all that he earned, his body's chemistry was altered so significantly that his body started healing. At one time, it looked as if he would die at 53, but his health had a dramatic turnaround, and he spent next 40 years, that is until the age of 93, doing philanthropic work. Rockefeller learned the power of gratitude, charity, and gave back vast majority of his wealth. Doing so made him feel whole and deeply fulfilling. He began to participate in spiritual activities and continuously engaged in working for many humanitarian causes. His inner feeling opened the door for physical healing. When his mind changed from greed to gratitude, from selfish to selflessness, from egocentricity to universality, his entire body chemistry changed. The healing began. Now, folks, your thoughts and feelings powerfully influence your health. Medical research called psychoneuroimmunology, or P&I, reveals the impact of your thoughts and emotions on your immune functions that determines whether or not you will be healthy and stay healthy. It is said that your body is the most powerful laboratory or pharmacy in the world. It has the ability to heal itself by producing its own chemicals. Your state of mind is the controller of it. Healing feelings such as gratitude, forgiveness, compassion, charity changes the chemistry of your body favorably. The ill feelings like selfishness, holding grudges, anger, grief, guilt, hatred, anxiety changes the chemistry of your body adversely. Giving and sharing is one of the most powerful healing feelings. All of us have something or the other we can share and be the cause of someone's happiness. It can be knowledge, time, labor, money, material blessings like clothing or food. Even psychological blessings like giving a genuine compliment or wishing well for the other people in your own mind. Remember, nobody ever became poor by giving and sharing.
If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.